In this video,
we will learn how to make a FiveM server. In order to open up a FiveM server, firstly all you need to do is open up your browser. From the browser search panel, search for FiveM server files, then hit enter. After that, head to the first FiveM website. From here, you can select the latest recommended, which will download the latest recommended server files for you. After the files are downloaded, you can extract them into a folder of your choice. After the extraction is done, head into the folder. From here, you scroll down and find the FX server exe file. Just double click on it and a CMD file will open. Just allow it, and a new window in your browser will open. In here, the pin should be filled automatically by your command prompt file. If not, you can just copy them from here. From here, you need to just click on link account, then click on continue. After coming in here, you can change the name of your server to whatever you want. Then click on the next option. From the deployment, select popular recipes. From here, you can select the basic server or whatever you prefer. And from here, just leave it to whatever it is and save it. From here, click on go to recipe deployer. From here, you don't need to do anything, just click on next. Now you will need to enter the server registration key. If you don't have any, you can just click on the cfx.re portal. From here, you need to read through the agreement. Just click on agree. From here, you need to hit the generate key in here. From here, you can enter a display name, whatever you prefer. After that is done, click on generate. Now in here, you will have your registration key. Just copy the key from here. Now paste the key in here. Click on run recipe. And your recipe should start. After that, click on next. In here, you will find your server configuration. Now from here, you don't need to do anything. Just click save and run server. And your server should start running. Now you can open FiveM from the search panel of your browser. Click on open. If everything is done correctly, you will see a LAN option below your play button. You can just click on it and you will load into the server. So now you have successfully loaded in your server, which is your personal server in FiveM. So this is how you can easily create a personal FiveM server and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.